In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious, crispy garlic bread in the air fryer. It's golden on the outside, soft and buttery on the inside, and packed with lots of flavor. This is a quick and easy way to enjoy homemade garlic bread. Let's get started. Alright, so here's everything you'll need for this recipe. So ingredients: 1 white French stick, also called a French baguette, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 to 5 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, finely chopped. This is for color and freshness. 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper adds a slight kick, and 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, which is optional for a cheesy garlic bread. For the equipment, you'll need an air fryer with trays, a small microwave safe bowl, butter knife or pastry brush, cutting board and knife, spoon for mixing, microwave or small pan for melting butter. Each ingredient enhances the garlic bread's flavor. Fresh garlic gives a strong, bold taste, while parsley adds a pop of color and a mild herby flavor. If you love cheesy garlic bread, mozzarella or parmesan will add a rich melty texture. Alright, start by melting butter in a microwave safe bowl or a small saucepan like I'm doing here. If you're using a microwave, heat it in 10-second intervals until fully melted but not too hot. Once melted, add the minced garlic, salt, black pepper and parsley. Stir everything together to combine. Melting the butter ensures it spreads evenly across the bread and soaks in every slice for the best flavor. The mix of fresh and powdered garlic, if you're using it, gives a deep, rich taste in every bite. Do you prefer your garlic bread with a strong garlic kick or a more subtle taste? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, now take your white French stick and slice it into even pieces. If you want larger garlic bread slices, cut the bread at a slight angle to create wider pieces. Now, using a pastry brush or spoon or even a butter knife, generously coat each slice with the melted garlic butter mixture. Make sure to get a little on the edges too. That's where the extra flavor and crispiness happens. Alright, from here arrange the garlic bread slices on the air fryer trays in a single layer, ensuring they aren't overlapping. This allows the hot air to circulate properly, giving you that perfectly crispy texture. Then from here, simply slide the trays into the air fryer and get ready for the magic to happen. Set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for roughly 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on it, some air fryers cook faster than others. At the 4-minute mark, check the bread. If the edges are browning too quickly, you can rotate the trays for even crispiness. If you're adding cheese, sprinkle it on now and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until melted and golden. Carefully remove the trays from the air fryer and let the garlic bread set for a few minutes. This helps the butter absorb fully into the bread. Slice, serve and enjoy. The crispy edges, buttery center and perfect garlic balance make this an easy but irresistible snack or side dish.